The 25A battery charger BC-252025 offers a versatile charging solution with its adjustable current settings, accommodating a range of 2 to 25 amperes for various battery types. This charger features an advanced engine start booster mode that supports 12-volt batteries, allowing quick vehicle starts even in extreme temperatures. Engineered with automatic trickle charging and multi-protection features, it ensures safe and efficient charging while preventing overcharge and other potential hazards. The 8-stage precision charging program is designed to extend battery life by performing essential functions such as desulfation and pulse maintenance. With its innovative pulse repair function, the charger can rejuvenate and extend the life of batteries that have been idle for extended periods. Encased in a durable aluminum alloy housing, this portable charger is easy to transport and store, making it a reliable companion for automotive battery maintenance.